Hey guys, Woods Farm here. Just going to take a little break from working on the scale car, and I'm going to make up a welding table. I've got some scrap material laying around and I've been thinking about doing this for a while. So I think it's going to be helpful for working on different projects in the garage. So stick around and check it out. Okay, so this has been a long time coming. I've had this kind of slab of 1/4 inch plate steel, and I actually cut a little bit off, so it's a bit smaller. And I've got this wooden table in the garage, and I kind of move it around, and I use it for various like small little projects. But it's not the most convenient thing, and it's also really not the best for welding and cutting on. So I'm going to make a steel welding table, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. I just went through the shed and pulled out some scrap steel. Actually, some of this is for another project. I'm going to make some racks to potentially store my canoe, but that's another project. But basically, here's the piece of plate steel, and I've been just putting it on this kind of rickety wooden table for a couple years now, but it's difficult to move it around in the garage, so I want something that at least has 2 casters so I can pick it up and roll it. And just a dedicated table, nothing too big. I'm gonna make it kind of counter height, maybe just a little bit lower, custom kind of to my height. It'll probably have a vise on it and a handle, and potentially underneath some sort of a platform to maybe put the plasma cutter on. guys, that's it. Welding table's finished. In the spring, I might give it a coat of paint on the legs and the braces, and I might also add a shelf and some places to hook vice grips and clamps. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. It's got a vise on it, and the metal surface is going to be good for welding and grinding. It's got the handle so you can pick it up and you can roll it around the shop. So this is going to come in handy this winter when we're working on the Scout car. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And as always, thanks for watching.